How to download Photoshop on laptop and PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. Go to search bar on top and search Photoshop. What kind of Photoshop you want, or simply Adobe Photoshop. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the Photoshop you want, and you'll find install option. I have already installed the app, so it is showing installed. You'll simply find install app, simply click on install, and Photoshop app will be downloaded to your laptop and PC. After that, you can use the app. This is how to download Photoshop on laptop and PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.